तो दिखा दो।
हाँ है तो सही है।
Welcome you all in a satellite communication lab. Today we are going to do the experiment on a telemetry command, in which we will send the telemetry command from the uplink transmitter to the transponder, and the transponder will send it to the downlink receiver. Today we are going to do the experiment based on the telemetry command on the light intensity. Before that, let me first understood the paging setup which we have to follow before starting the experiment. You can see this is uplink transmitter. In uplink transmitter, you can see there is one antenna, and also here you can see frequency select button. You can see from that you can select the frequency. Here we have already selected the frequency. It is 2.468 gigahertz. 2.468 gigahertz, and the channel 1 has been selected. You can see channel 1 has been selected. It is a telemetry command, and now telemetry command has been given over here. In that one you can see the E we are keeping the 0, A1 we are keeping it is a 1, and A0 we are keeping again a 0. Okay, now next module is a transponder. You can see this is the transponder. In the transponder, again we have to select the frequency 1 and frequency 2. Frequency 1 indicate the uplink frequency. Uplink frequency again we will select over here. It is a 2.468, which is the same as the uplink transmitter module we have selected. It is 2.468. And downlink frequency we are selecting here, it is a 2.414, which can be selected from this particular knob. Now keep in mind that uplink frequency will be always greater than the downlink frequency. Again you can see this is an antenna, and this antenna will receive the signal from the uplink transmitter. Uplink transmitter will send the signal through this antenna. This antenna will send the signal to this particular antenna. It will receive the signal over here. This is transponder. Now again here you can see telemetry command. We have made it telemetry command. No, we have made it is on, because today we are going to see the telemetry command. Using telemetry command, light intensity transmission and reception. So keep it on again. Also keep in mind that you should power on this trainer board from this switch and from the main switch also before operating this particular trainer board. Same instruction will be for the uplink transmitter module. Now you can see again over here the second antenna. This is for the downlink receiver. Transponder will send the signal from this antenna to the downlink receiver antenna. Downlink receiver antenna will receive the signal, and it will give to this downlink receiver, and downlink receiver will show the information in this particular display. Again here we have to select the telemetry command, same as we have selected into the uplink transmitter, which is E is low, A1 is high, and A0 is low. This particular telemetry command E0 A1 1 A0 0 is for light intensity. Keep in mind this particular command is for the light intensity transmission and reception. Now let me start our experiment, and for that one let me go near to the uplink transmitter here. So here you can see we have already selected the channel A with the telemetry command. Telemetry command. You have to change it like this. You can see here channel A showing the video, channel B audio 2, and channel C by default audio 1. I will press again. It will show the channel A PC data, channel A data, and channel A again a telemetry command. Here again the status of E1 and A0 has been also shown here, and we have kept it such a that the code of telemetry command is E for the light intensity transmission. Okay, now let me go to the transponder. At a transponder, it has already been given the light sensor over here. You can see the light sensor. Already light sensor has been given over here. To do this experiment, keep in mind this telemetry knob should be on. As of now, you can see light sensor is in a normal position. So you can see the light intensity is 23% or the 22%. It can be seen over here, and same percentage of light intensity can be seen in a downlink receiver. Light intensity, it has been written that light intensity 27-28%. Now let me check whether the light intensity will decrease or not by making this light center in a dark zone. So whenever I will do like that, putting the light sensor in a dark zone, you can see here that light intensity percentage has been decreased to the 11. You can see it is a 11. Now same percentage you can see in a downlink receiver, it is a 11%. You can see it is 11% because we have decreased the light intensity. Likewise, suppose let me increase the light intensity. To increase the light intensity, we will use the cell phone light torch we are using over here, and you can see there is number of options also given into the mobile to increase the intensity of light. So here you can see the light's intensity is going to be increased. It is 31, 33. It is increased up to the 94%, 91%, and same can be reflected into the downlink receiver, the 98%. So this is ultimately the experiment where we have seen by decreasing the light intensity we can decrease the light intensity, and decreased light intensity we can communicate, we can send via the satellite communication link, and also increased light intensity can be transmitted and can be received through the satellite communication link. Thank you.